American 78, turn left heading 360 degrees.
Left 360, American 78.
Eurowing 612 Charlie, speed 160 knots until 4 DME.
160 knots to 4 immediately. Eurowing 612 Charlie.
Canada 858, running 27 right, 24 miles to touchdown, reduced speed 180 knots.
4 right, calling 180 knots, Air Canada 858.
American 78, turn left heading 2905, when established on the local lines of 27 right, the same way path.
Yeah, 295 heading there, 727 right, and that continues to descend to American 78. Once on the look light.
That's right. Eurowing 612 Charlie, contact tower 118.705.
18705, Eurowing 612 Charlie, bye-bye.
Bye. Shuttle 7 Charlie, speed 160 knots until 4 DME.
160 to 4, Shuttle 7 Charlie.
Air Canada 858, turn left heading 360 degrees.
Left 360, Air Canada 858.
Good day, 711.
711, low 25 miles, 27 right.
Thank you.
Shuttle 7 Charlie, having tower on 18.705.
118.705, Shuttle 7 Charlie.
Good 711, this is watching 4,000 feet.
4,000 feet, 711.
Academy timing, turn left heading 295, establish localizer 27 right.
Left 295, established on the localizer 27 right, Air Canada 858.
Director, good morning, Stevo 473.
473, low 24 miles, 27 right.
Stevo 271, 473.
Good 711, turn left heading 360 degrees.
That's 360 degrees, 711.
American 78, speed now 160 knots till 4 DME.
160 knots, American 78.
Air Canada 858, established on the localizer 27 right.
110 glide path.
Stand on the glide path, Air Canada 858.
711, turn left 295, establish localizer 27 right.
That's 295 and establish 279. 711.
American 78, contact tower 18705.
18705, American 78. American 46.
American 46, low speed 180, 24 miles, 27 right.
27 right, 180 speed, American 46.
Unit 473, turn left 360 degrees.
Left is 360, Steven 473.
Air Canada 858, speed 160 knots, handle forward DME.
160 DME, Air Canada 858.
Canadian 58, contact tower on 118.705.
118.705, Air Canada 858.
Unit 473, turn left 205, establish localizer 27 right.
Left is 295, establish localizer 27 right, Steven 473.
Unit 711, descend glide path.
Advisor is 711.
Good morning, 0131.
Air 131, 24 miles, 27 right.
27 right, 131.
American 46, turn right heading 180 degrees.
180 degrees, American 46.
Unit 711, 160 knots, full forward DME.
That's 160 to 4, 711.
Unit 473, starting 3006, further up the glide.
Descend 3000 feet, further to glide, Steven 473.
Unit 711, contact tower on 118.705.
118.705, 7115.
American 46, turn right heading 240 degrees, establish localizer 27 right.
240, intercept the localizer, American 46.
Area 131, speed 180 knots, turn right heading 180 degrees.
Right, 180, be light here, 131.
American 46, when localizer established, descend glide path.
Descend glide path, American 46.
Special Louis 148.
Speed 148, low 26 miles, 27 right.
27 right, 148. Steven 949 Lima.
You're down for 9 Lima, 22 miles, 27 right.
22 for the right, Steven 949 Lima.
Area 131, turn right heading 240 degrees, establish localizer 27 right.
240, establish localizer 27 right, area 131.
Give it 949 Lima, speed 180 knots.
180 knots, Steven 949 Lima.
Area 131, when localizer established, descend glide path.
Establish localizer, descend right, area 131.
Give it 949 Lima, turn right heading 180 degrees.
Right 180, Steven 949 Lima.
Unit 473, speed now 160 knots, and handle forward DME.
164, Steven 473.
Bid 473, contact tower, 18705.
18705, keyword 473 on.
Speedbird 855, descend to altitude 3,000 feet, further on the grey path.
3,000 feet further with the line, Speedbird 855.
Speedbird 156, turn right heading 235, one established on the localizer 27 right, descend grey path.
Turn right to 35 degrees and when established on the LS 27 right, 7 left, 156.
Egypt Air 777, speed 160 knots until 4 DME.
160 to 4 Egypt, go 777.
Shuttle 19 Mike calling.
Shuttle 19 Mike Kilo, heading 27 right, 21 miles and touchdown, reduced speed 180 knots.
Reduce speed 180 knots, shuttle 19 Mike.
Egypt Air 777, contact tower 118.705.
118.705 Egypt, 777, take on the try.
Hello.
2855 established, LS 27 right.
2855, roger. Shuttle 19 Mike, turn right heading 170 degrees.
Right turn heading 170, shuttle 19 Mike.
Speedbird 156, descend to altitude 3,000 feet, further on the grey path.
10 3,000 feet further with flight speed 156.
First place, Speedbird 16 November Lima.
Speedbird 16 November Lima, running 27 right, 22 miles and touchdown, reduced speed 180 knots.
180 knots to 27 right, Speedbird 16 November Lima.
Speedbird 855, speed 160 knots until 4 DME.
160 to 4, Speedbird 855.
Shuttle 19 Mike, turn right heading 235, one established on the localizer 27 right, St. Grey Path.
Right turn heading 235, one stops on the localizer with 27 right, descend the glide, shuttle 19 Mike.
Speedbird 855, contact tower 118.705.
Alright, 705, 2855, come on.
Hello. Speedbird 62 November Lima, turn right heading 170 degrees, descend to altitude 4,000 feet.
170 degrees, 4,000 feet, Speedbird 16 November Lima. Certain base, Speedbird 457.
Speedbird 457, running 27 right, 22 miles and touchdown, reduced speed 180 knots.
180 knots, that's 457.
Shuttle 19 Mike, descend to altitude 3,000 feet, further on the grey path.
Descend 3,000 further on the glide, shuttle 19 Mike.
Speedbird 156, speed 160 knots until 4 DME.
160 to 4, Speedbird 156.
Speedbird 62 November Lima, turn right heading 235, one established on the localizer 27 right, St. Grey Path.
Right, 235, established localizer, St. Grey. Yeah, 27 right, Speedbird 16 November Lima.
Speedbird 156, contact tower 118.705.
118.705, Speedbird 152.
Hello. Speedbird 457, turn left heading 360 degrees.
And then 360 degrees, 457. Hello, Portugal 1352.
Air Portugal 1352, landing 27 right, 20 miles, touchdown, reduced speed 180 knots.
7 right, 180 knots, Air Portugal 1352.
Speedband 62 November Lima, descent to altitude 3,000 feet, further on the glide path.
3,000 feet is fine.
Shuttle 19 Mike, speed 160 knots until 4 DME.
160 knots to 4 DME, shuttle 1 Mike.
Speedband 457, start left heading 2905, one established on the localizer 27 right, descent glide path.
Okay, 275, what's coming to left side, yes, I'm on 457.
Speedband 457, just heading 2905.
295, 457.
Thank you.
Okay, hello, Speedband 36.
Speedband 36, hello, heading 27 right, 24 miles, touchdown, reduced speed 180 knots.
180 knots, 27 right, Speedband 36.
Shuttle 19 Mike, contact tower 118.705.
Tower 118.705, shuttle 19 Mike, bye-bye.
Bye. Air Portugal 1352, start left heading 360 degrees.
Left heading 360, Air Portugal 252.
Speedband 36, start right heading 145.
Right turn heading 145, Speedband 36.
Speedband 36, turn right heading 180 degrees.
Right turn heading 180 degrees, Speedband 36.
Speedband 62 November Lima, speed 160 knots until 4 DME.
160 to 4, so there's 60 November.
Air Portugal 1352, turn left heading 290 degrees, one established on the localizer 27 right, descent glide path.
Left heading 290, established and localized, 7 wide path, Air Portugal 1352, thank you.
Speedband 36, turn right heading 235, one established on the